Well, continuing on the 57, and I'm here under the dash by the heater box, and as you can see, I got this patch all welded in now. I cut out, and I actually primed the back side of that patch, and then I rust reformed the inside of that, the inside of the brace where that, and then you can see I could put some plug welds into it because it actually had some spot welds to that brace. So I think it had 2 spot welds, so now it's got 4 plug welds. Should be plenty strong, and keep the thing going here. I'm going to try to get some more of this rust out of here, and then coat it with the rust reformer. You can see it, you know, it's pretty heavy, but that's what we got. Well, this is a milestone. May not seem like a lot, but I cut this dashboard out of this thing quite a while ago, and it was really, the one that I had was really rotten. So got this one here. Looks like she's gonna fit okay. Looking forward to getting her welded in. Take it easy.